In front of me is POCO M6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Bluetooth. Then select the gray switcher next to it to activate it, and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Hit pair in the pop-up and just wait for the second device to accept your connection request. As you can see, in the matter of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!